What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys here Ellipal Titan review, which is a cold storage wallet, but not just any cold storage wallet. It has air gap technology, and I'm going to explain that in this video. As many of you guys are part of the wealth transfer community, you guys know that it's important to have self-custody of your coins and have a cold storage wallet. In today's video, I'm going to break down the Ellipal and give you guys my honest review, first impressions after using this for a week. And I just want to thank Ellipal for sending me the wallet. I have it right over here. And I also want to thank you guys, because I wouldn't be at this point if it wasn't for you guys liking, commenting, supporting all my videos. And with that in mind, I'm going to give you guys honest opinions, the good and the bad. You guys know me, I keep it real. So after using this for 1 week, I just gotta say it's very, very different than the one that I'm used to, which is the Ledger. I'm gonna explain the good things that I like about it, and then the good things I prefer on the Ledger. And also, by the end of the video, if you guys want to get an Ellipal and help my channel out, you guys can use my affiliate link in the pinned comment and description below. It'll take you guys to this website, which is their official website. I want to say the main thing that sticks out for this amazing cold storage wallet, which is the air gap technology. Okay, and if you guys don't know what that is, okay, what is air gap cold storage wallet? Okay, it's basically, it doesn't connect to the internet, Bluetooth or USB like the Ledger, the Trezor does. You basically send crypto using a QR code. And for example, since it doesn't connect to the internet, if it ever needs to be updated, they give you a mini USB that you basically download the new update on your computer, then you plug it in on the charger that it comes with. Okay, that's obviously one of the setbacks, but in return of that, you get way more plus security because it's not connecting to the internet like the Ledger and the Trezor does. And I just gotta say, that is a great feature. I honestly wish Ledger had that, the air gap technology. There are many tutorials on how to use this online, but basically I'm gonna read it right here. To send coins, you just create a transaction request on the Ellipal app. If you guys didn't know, there is an app for this. I have it on my phone, but the thing about the app is I can't send coins on the app. I could only receive coins. So let's say somebody stole your phone and they wanted to send coins and they got a hold of the app, they can't send it because the private keys are on your wallet and it needs you to sign and send the transaction using the QR code on this. And I'm gonna explain right here how. So on the app, it will create a QR code, okay? Use the Ellipal Titan to scan the QR code. So you're gonna use the Ellipal Titan, it has a camera on the back, to scan the QR code, okay? Once scanned, the Ellipal Titan knows that you want to make a transaction and approve it using the private key stored inside of it. What you get is another QR code saying that the transaction has been confirmed by the private key, which will be scanned by the app again to complete the process. So then you scan your phone again on the wallet to complete the transaction. And of course, before the Ellipal can approve this transaction for you, you must correctly input the gesture password and account password. As you can see, the transaction process is also very secure. So basically, there's another layer that you put your account password that you create in the beginning. And what's awesome too, guys, that I just gotta say right off the bat, the user interface is amazing. This is another plus for me that's better than the Ledger, is the fact that I literally created my account on this. It's touchscreen. Okay, obviously it's not the best touchscreen, but look, it's pretty good. It's pretty responsive. But I created my account, I created my password just by clicking on here. I got the seed phrase. You get it right here, and then you write it down on your notes, and you keep that seed phrase with you. Store in a safe place because it's the only way that you'll be able to restore your crypto. So right off the bat, there's two things right there: the air gap technology, right? The user interface being touchscreen. Two things that I prefer more than the Ledger right off the bat. Now let's move on here to another important thing, which is the coin list. Okay, what is the variety? What are the coins here? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys, especially in the wealth transfer, are interested in SHIB, right? XRP, which is a big one, a Luna Classic maybe, and other coins. So let's take a look here. It supports 48 blockchains and 10,000 plus tokens supported. And you can see here the services. So the services, basically, purple is stored. That means you can store it, obviously. Buy if it's green. If there's a green next to it, that means you can buy it on the app, which is awesome. And then if there's a blue, that means you can stake it. So what's awesome is that you have self-custody of your coins and you can stake it. And then the last awesome feature with the app is you can swap coins. You can swap coins between each other. So right here you can see Solana, HBAR, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance, XRP, which is a big one. And this is another really big one too, XDC. Okay, I don't think Ledger has this one. And this is in the same group that XRP is with, Algorand and the ISO 20 coins. So XDC is a pretty big one right there. And then covering the ones that you can stake are Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos, Kasuma, Tezos, And that's basically it. And coming to the first con here, I just gotta say that I feel like the ledger has more variety of blockchains and crypto. They have a bigger list, including Luna, but it's not the biggest deal. You still have all the major coins here and all the major blockchains here. And again, they could always update this in the future. And just like I said right here in the new version, it says new coins supported Solana and the H-bar. So they recently just added Solana and the H-bar, so they can always add new blockchains and coins in the future. They also just added Wallet Connect and a bunch of other important updates here that you guys can read, as well as NFTs. So if you guys are into NFTs, you can store and have self-custody of them in your wallet. And moving here to my last con, you guys know I love to keep it real. My last con will probably be the fact that you can't connect it yet to MetaMask, right? I think the only two wallets you can connect to MetaMask is Ledger and Trezor. But again, this is just another thing that they can implement and add in the future, right? Maybe they're still in the process right now to add it to MetaMask. And this might not be a big deal for you guys that don't use MetaMask. A lot of you guys are just simple. You just have your coins. Maybe you just want to hold XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other ones. Then this is perfect for you. And the other con that you may say is the fact that it's not convenient, right? To update it, you got to put the SD card here, transfer from your computer, and then put it here. To send coins, you got to make sure you scan the QR code, this and that. But the thing is, guys, you guys got to realize that by doing this, you have a huge layer of security just by doing this versus other cold storage wallets, which to me is a big plus. And like I said, if you guys are interested, you guys can use my affiliate link in the pinned comment and description below. This is it right here. It's 140 right now. It used to be 170. And this is basically what you get for it. This is the charging stand, and basically you connect the SD card on the charging stand after putting the Ellipal on it. My last thoughts on this, it really feels like a little phone. The user interface is probably the best that I had using a cold storage wallet. Again, it might not be convenient, but air gap security is amazing, and I wish that Ledger makes one in the future. It also does not feel cheap at all. You can see the phone right here. It feels really rugged and really well made in my opinion. And just the fact that it has touchscreen and you can scroll and click and do all those things, in my opinion, makes up for the inconvenient features that this wallet has. I will also soon be making a review for the Titan Mini. So this is another one. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a square shape. I'm going to be making a review for that very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you guys are interested, you guys can use my link below. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next piece.